Guys, I just wanted to come on here today and talk to you a little bit about AFib or atrial fibrillation and how nutrition and lifestyle can affect your AFib. So AFib occurs when the regular rhythmic pumping of the upper chambers of the heart, which are called the atria, breaks down. This normal heart rate becomes irregular or fast, and as a result, your heart is less efficient and must work harder. AFib can increase your risk for heart failure and stroke, which, as many of us know, can be fatal. So there are some common dietary and lifestyle triggers for AFib, including obesity, hypertension, sleep apnea, exercise, smoking, atherosclerosis, which is like plaque buildup in your veins and arteries, acid reflux, and caffeine and alcohol. So as far as caffeine and alcohol go, it's a good idea to figure out what your threshold is because different people can tolerate different amounts of caffeine and alcohol before triggering AFib. So experiencing a racing or irregular beat of your heart can be kind of scary. And part of managing your AFib includes learning which foods are triggers and the amounts or thresholds you can tolerate. So to find your threshold, first of all, eliminate the trigger food or drink, for example, it might be caffeine, from your diet for 3 days. And then after 3 days of elimination, which might be tricky, but give it your best shot, completely eliminate it for 3 days, and then after that, reintroduce a small amount, so like a half a cup of coffee. If your symptoms return, consider switching to decaffeinated coffee or tea. If you have no symptoms at first, stick to just half a cup or maybe 1 cup for several days, and then try adding a second cup and see what happens. So that's how you can use nutrition threshold determination to see whether it's caffeine or alcohol, and different types of activity. You can do the same kind of things as well. So should you follow a special diet? Well, while you might need medication and or surgery, lifestyle and diet changes can be very effective to help manage AFib. So Mediterranean-style diet can be beneficial for AFib. Mediterranean diet focuses on plant-based foods that are rich in fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, beans and legumes, whole grains, fish, and olive oil. So try adding some of these nutrient-dense foods like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, cranberries, and other fresh and frozen fruits, extra virgin olive oil, leafy green vegetables and a variety of different colors of vegetables, almonds, walnuts, pecans, pumpkin seeds, and ground flax seeds, fatty fish like salmon, tuna, Arctic char, and trout, and legumes and beans like lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and pinto beans. And then try to limit red meats like beef, pork, and lamb, processed foods that are high in sodium and inflammatory oils like lunch meats, fast food, and chips, and refined sugar foods and beverages like baked goods, fruit juices, and soft drinks or soda pop. So you can learn how to change your nutrition and lifestyle habits to reduce AFib by working with me. So if you're interested in booking a free empowerment call to see how we could work together, click the link and we'll see how we can figure out how to reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke and AFib episodes by clicking the link. Hopefully we'll work together. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you next time.